Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to be wiring up the four-way switches. First, I got to get this box in, so I got to notch this out. Just going to saw it back and chisel this out of there. Hopefully I don't hit a nail, but I believe I will. So this is probably not going to be as easy as I think it's going to be. But basically the way this wiring goes is I'll have a switch here and it'll have a wire that goes down, goes through all the holes, goes up, across, down, all the way over to that switch. And this box right here, when it gets jumped from that one, it'll also jump to this switch. The power will be added to the circuit right here. Then on this one, that long one right there is a traveler. Then I have a 14-3 coming from this one over, and actually, yeah, it goes up, over, and down. This is a doorway. I can't go right through it. It's a doorway for later. If you haven't seen the videos, both of these are going to turn to doors at some time. So I can't go right through it with the wiring. But anyways, the 3-wire will go down and to this, and then out of this switch, there will be a wire that comes out and goes to a switch right by the door, and then out of that will come up and go to 1, 2 lights. Yeah, it's a little bit complicated, but not really. 2 of them are 4-way switches and 2 of them are 3-way switches. I don't think I'm gonna, well, I'm positive I will not be able to get to the actual wiring today. I'm going to get this box in and I'm going to pull all the wire, and that's about as far as I'll be able to get today. Then tomorrow or whenever I'll start wiring everything up. Well, actually, yeah, I will have to wire the 4-way circuit up, so I'll probably do that tomorrow while it's still cool. I missed it, but it's already snowed 3 times today. And it snowed last night. None of it was in the forecast, and it was just like real quick flurries, but it was snowing like crazy just a little while ago, and I was filming during that, and then the damn camera crashed. I had tons of problems with Hero 6, and in the end I just had it replaced because it just crashed constantly. And this one's crashed on me as well, but nowhere near like the other one. Okay, so let me get this cut out and get this box in place. Then I'll start pulling this wire. well, it's about halfway wired. Now I need to come off of this switch, go up, over, and to a box. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right about here. And then another box will go 2, 3, 4, 5, right about there. Okay, and then the last switch is right here, but I don't have these in yet, so these are the half studs. They go on each of these, but I'm not putting those in yet, so I'll just come down with the wire and go a bit long, just like I did with these. And then I believe tomorrow I will have to kind of get something figured out for that and get these boxes cut out. I can power this up, even though I don't have power at the box yet. I can power up the lights themselves. I believe I said I was going to power the 4-way from here. I went back and forth on how to do it, but it will be powered from here. But that's neither here nor there. It's just that it's a little harder. I'll have to, I don't know. I'll have to come from that outlet, go up and over. I have an old extension cord that got trashed, and it has the plug end, and the other side is wired, so I can run that over and wire up some electricity to it. It would be nice to have 2 of these lights in here for finishing up the rest of this stuff. Okay, well, I got to do some measuring to get the boxes in there, so let me do that. That'll do it. We just had some pretty bizarre snow. It was like coming up the hill and then just like following the landscape pretty sharp. Blowing sideways. It is a really weird day. There was no snow in the forecast, but then it snowed last night, and it's been snowing on and off all day. But it doesn't stick. As soon as the snow stops, the sun's back out, and it melts right away. Very weird. But I have this wired up. Now I have to get a box there, and that's going to have to happen tomorrow. But it is really close to being done. I mean, I have to wire up the outlets and stuff like that, but the majority of the pulling is done. So I have a box here and a box here, and I don't have the boxes, so that is how it's going to be. But I can go on to the insulation now if I want. That is everything that's going through the ceiling. I really should get them boxes in right away though. Okay, that's going to wrap it up for today. The next one in here, I will be getting all them boxes in, and I'll wire up this circuit, and I'll connect it temporarily over there so that I have better light in here for doing the rest of the insulation. So if you want to see that stuff, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you give the video a thumbs up and or share it, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.